Hey folks, 2018 Jeep Compass. Daytime running light out is out. That's what the shop told her. It's out. Guess how much the shop wants? $400 because they said the bumper has to come off. You know what I said? Hold this. Give me a beer. Take the tire off. 4-5 bolts off the wheel well. There it is. That's the fog light. That's the daytime. What, 400 bucks? What bumper coming off? What are you talking about? All right, so you squeeze a little tab up on top. My phone died. All right, squeeze a little tab on top and the plug will come off. I'm not sure if I did that already. There's the bulb. I tried to put it in there so I can show you, but I'm gonna take the bulb out. Tab on top, tab on the bottom, and you squeeze it. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you on the bulb. Right here, see this? Squeeze this tab, squeeze the tab that's broken in there, and it comes right out. Okay, now the plug only goes in one way because there's a little notch over there. All right, you go get this this bulb. They call it a fog light bulb. I think it's about $30-some from AutoZone. All right, it'll come with with the tab, both tabs, same thing. Find where it's supposed to go. Put it right in there. Snap it in. It'll lock the top and the bottom. Check your plug. It's got the little tab over there. It's gonna go on this side here. That's it. Done. Easy, quick, peasy. All right, so what are you talking about? And here's the fog light bulb on the bottom. All right, with the fog light bulb, okay, these are the tabs you gotta pry out, the ones on the side. 1 and 2. Okay, once you do that, helps you have 2 fingers. Okay, once you do that, this will come out like that. Then the bulb, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, I believe this bulb is out too, because I didn't see it turn on, but that's not what we're here to do. All right, so to put it back on, gonna line it up, tighten it, put the plug back in. Click, click. You hear it? All right, we're done. There's your right side fog light and daylight running time bulb. No bumper is removed whatsoever. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Peel it back a little bit from this flare. Tie it up with a bunch of cord and you're done. How long did it take that just for me to show it to you? All right, but yeah, I mean, you could do it with the wheel on if you want. Just gotta turn it off. You know, turn it over to the right. But take the wheel off, you get more room. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. 400 bucks. Kiss my butt. Ciao. Thanks for watching. All right, so I went to the store, got the bulb from AutoZone. There it is, number 2504 from Sylvania. This is what the bulb looks like. Not gonna touch the glass. At least try not to, right? But yeah, there it is. See it? Right there. These are the tabs. 1 tab, 2 tabs. All right. Stick it right in there. It's up and down, people. Oops, hang on. Let's make sure it's notched. Yeah, it's 2 notches on one side, 1 notch on the other. If I remember, let's look at the old one. When the broken one is on top. So it's 1 notch. 1 notch to the right, 2 notches to the left. So we're gonna go with 2 notches to the left. Alrighty, so the bulb goes in a certain way. That's kind of weird. Never saw that before. All right, so gotta put that in there. Snap, snap. Did you hear it? All right. That's in there. This one has a little notch. Make sure this goes in the right way. The notch is on the right passenger side. All right. Let's go turn it on. Let's check it out. Let's go inside. All right, let's go turn it on. Turn everything off so we can see the daytime running lights. That side and the other side. There you go. Save for $400. The bulb was about $32. All right. That's it, people. Daytime running lights. No bumpers hurt in this job. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Yeah, time to put the bumper back.